Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video. If you're in search of the best injector, extractor or carpet cleaner for your couches, rugs, and more, you've come to the right place. We'll dive right in and explore the top 5 injector, extractors, starting from the least expensive to the most expensive. We regularly update the product names and prices we mention, which you can find in the description just below. In the number 5 spot, we have the HAUSHOF. It boasts a 400-watt power, enabling effective cleaning of carpets, couches, pet cushions, car seats, and more. It comes with a large 1000 ml clean water reservoir and a 500 ml wastewater collection tank, offering convenient handling of clean and dirty water. It comes with 2 suction nozzles for various uses, including a brush nozzle for carpets, upholstery, and stairs, and a corner nozzle for crevices. Its advantages are numerous, including low noise, ease of use, a powerful motor, suction nozzles, separate tanks, and a compact design. Its drawbacks include precautions regarding the use of cleaning solutions to avoid excessive foam formation. In the number 4 spot, we have the Vacmaster SCA0801. If you prefer powerful cleaning, this is an intriguing option. It features an 800-watt motor and is ideal for efficiently removing dirt from your home and serving as a car vacuum. It comes with a built-in 1.8-meter hose for versatile use, allowing you to easily clean corners in your home as well as car seats and upholstery. Its dual-tank technology with removable water tanks makes filling and emptying a breeze. It comes with a special carpet cleaning formula. Its advantages include ease of use and the ability to handle pet stains, but it also has some disadvantages, including its noise level. In the number 3 spot, we have the Kärcher SE0801. It allows deep cleaning of fibers on all textile surfaces, including carpets, rugs, upholstered furniture, and car seats. It offers wet and dry vacuuming thanks to its wet, dry suction nozzle. Its innovative nozzle technology enables quick drying of clean surfaces. It has a removable clean water tank and a 3-in-1 handle for convenient handling. Its advantages are numerous, especially for allergy sufferers and pet owners. It's ideal for those looking to deep clean their carpets, upholstered furniture, mattresses, or car seats. Its drawbacks are minimal, except for slightly higher noise levels. In the number 2 spot, we have the Thomas AQUA Plus Pet. Specially designed for pet owners, it uses AQUA Plus technology to effectively vacuum and wash your home. It features an injection, extraction function for versatile use. Its special pet hair accessories allow you to quickly handle pet hair on all types of floors. It's made in Germany. Its advantages include AQUA Plus technology, deep stain removal, and the ability to vacuum, wash, and remove stains in one go. It's an all-in-one device. Its drawback is that it can be a bit heavy and bulky for some people. To conclude our top 5, we have the BISSELL SpotClean Pet Pro. It has a powerful 750-watt motor with a sound level of 82 decibels. It's great for effectively removing dirt from your home and serving as a car vacuum. It's versatile for use at home and in the car, with a built-in 1.5-meter hose for cleaning corners and seats. The dual-tank system allows you to clean with clean water while dirt and dust are stored in a separate tank. It uses heat wave technology, which keeps the water temperature constant throughout the cleaning process. Its advantages are numerous, especially its efficiency in removing stains and dirt. The drawback is its slightly short hose. That concludes our top 5 of the best injector, extractors available today, each offering unique features to meet your specific needs. The product links and prices are in the description just below. Thank you for watching the video. Feel free to let us know in the comments what you thought. And subscribe to stay informed about every new video. We'll see you soon for more top 5s. Take care.